I'm Jefferson Graham. I hope you'll join me for the second season of Photowalks as we keep exploring the West and Pacific in search of the best photo spots anywhere. I'm using the same camera you're probably using for most of my shots, a smartphone, and I've got a lot of great ideas for how to get pro-level quality from one of these phone cameras.
It was just a few days ago, Phil said, hey, why don't you bring your iPhone and show me some of your photo tricks?
Right. You know, like the walking trick, the reflection mover, how to get a long exposure, and hundreds more. So for more photo tips and some visits to some pretty awesome places, please join me on the second season of Photowalks.